every single week we are seeing that a new trend is coming up, a new tool is coming up with a new AI capability. Okay, and this every single new tool is outperforming every single benchmark and all, and this is called marketing. Okay, and I am not saying that those tools are not good or whatever XYZ. The thing is that there is something fundamental which everyone is just missing out. And what happens with this trap is that every single new tool comes, whether it's Claude, OpenAI, Gemini, Cursor, V0, Lovable, or any new video tool you might have seen or heard about recently. And also there is this Claude bot and all, everywhere it is going on, open Claude. Okay, so everyone is scrambling to learn a new tool, and you learn one, something new drops, and you switch, because you cannot just stay with that specific tool. Okay, because that is outdated now, and this cycle never ends, because it is, and this cycle instead is gaining momentum. It is actually speeding up, and every single new tool is coming up much faster than the previous one did. Okay, so you are just getting into a rabbit hole which is just getting so much difficult, and to catch up, and your life is getting so much chaotic and all. You cannot be able to keep up with that, and that was me as well. Okay, I was also not understanding that what was the issue and all, and how we can actually figure things out uh, in this fast changing, rapid changing AI world. Okay, you can never be good at it, because for getting good at it there is this fundamental that you need to do it enough number of times, then only you understand the fundamentals of it. And this is for sure, you will be going to, I mean, relate to it. This is not only my only problem, this is everyone's problem. This is not only yours problem, this is everyone's problem. Okay, the problem here, if we can see it, then we need to pick something stable which is much more fundamental than whatever the tools which are coming, because those are noise, and everyone is just for the sake of views, they are just talking about it like it is the on that those tools are marketed such a way that is the only tool that you need in your life to fix everything up. But that's not true. Okay, so what actually matters, what is more important than all these tools and all, if all these are chaos and all? The tools will change every single 3 months. Okay, and 3 months is just a vague number. I'm not saying 3 months, it's so much faster than that. Okay, and but there is this one fundamental thing which is always with you, which is thinking. And the only thing you are switching yourself with a tool is that you are not trusting your thinking, you are not clearing up your thinking. This is a new skill right now, and you will say that I'm crazy, I'm gone crazy, that saying thinking, who can say thinking is skill? And that's what the thing is, this is a skill, and we don't even know that this is a skill, because right now in this chaotic world the importance of clarity is so much high. If a person can clearly think, remove the distractions around him, is the person who is actually going so far. That is the only thing which is actually making him focus on one fundamental thing, and the fundamental is actually thinking. Your clear thinking plus AI's capabilities can really make you unbeatable. Okay, whether the tool is Claude or it is Gemini or whatever the new one comes up, you will not at all get into FOMO, because now you are trusting your thinking. Till the very end time we need, or AI needs a human, you are going to be valuable. Okay, so you don't have to think so much about it if you are really picking up a fundamental thing and trusting yourself rather than a tool, every single new tool which is coming up. Because the reality is that the tool is not only new for you, it is new for everyone. Okay, and people are just running behind it like a very hungry dog. Okay, so you don't have to so much get into FOMO, because everyone is just distracted. Think about it, if a person who is distracted into 20 things, how far it can go into one specific thing. And if you are a person who is working on his thinking and using AI to clear his life and every single aspect around his own life, whatever fundamental pillars are there in his life, like business, health, relationship, or whatever XYZ, it can be solved with AI, and AI has a lot much power with that, or in these kind of things. Okay, the only thing is that you don't know actually that how to use those things. Okay, the one skill which will work with any tool, and this is thinking. People who are crushing it are not tool expert, they know how to direct AI. Okay, same thinking skill works across every single tool. How to use Claude expires, but how to think clearly does not. Okay, and that's the fundamental shift I just wanted to tell you. And that's where the thinking first comes up, and it actually changed my life as well. Okay, I have been using it for business, for content, for community, for personal life as well. I have not mentioned it yet. Okay, my AI automation agency, my clients, I want those clients not because I know tools so much amazingly or whatever, because I can think clearly about the problems which those people are facing. Okay, and that's the real thing. Okay, directing AI to solve real business problems, that is the real skill. Okay, not using AI tool specific one, because you need to uh, get better at using a tool, but for that you need to understand that how the fundamentals of AI works, and that is common. Okay, and your thinking will get it so much faster if you trust it rather than you trust a tool, because now you are just trusting the capabilities of that tool, but that is not going to get you the best answers. It is the prompt, it is the working of the AI which you are going to understand with your thinking. Okay, these things are not that much direct as well, but that much not complex as well if you would try to just understand it. So yeah, my YouTube strategies, it is actually planning entire content calendars. Okay, okay, it's actually helping me build communities. Okay, it's not only that, it's also actually helping me to work upon my this cold email campaign. Okay, this is N10 workflows and all. Okay, this is my life overall planning and all. You can see the journaling and all, whatever, all those things I have been working with these things. Okay, the process is that whenever I open a tool, AI tool, I actually think about that what is the outcome I actually need from it, who is the audience or what is the context. Okay, and what is good look like for me, and what is the role that AI needs to play to perform that specific task the best, and that is actually directing it. Okay, and not just using it, using a tool directly, it is actually directing it, iterating it. Okay, so yeah, one thing, if you understand at this moment, which is the power of thinking, then one more thing can go much more beyond, which is using some uh, frameworks. Okay, and there are these frameworks which are so designed which can unlock the capabilities of AI, I would say 10x 100x. Okay, literally, because there are these frameworks like BMAD, there is this DAW. If you will understand it, these are so amazing, and not only these are not only limited to these, you can figure it out on yourself. Other frameworks also exist, and frameworks are just like a way you give a structure, AI a structure, a constraint which is so well designed that AI knows what needs to be done and it needs where to stop. Okay, and that is so much important. And when you do all these things in a proper way, your output becomes so incredible. Okay, so what I'm going to do from now onwards is that if you like my thinking and if you like the idea which I have just shared with you, I'm going to create videos from now onwards. Okay, starting from tomorrow, I'm going to create or pick some specific use cases which I'm going to pick and solve it through Claude code and these frameworks using my thinking, and I'm going to show you each and every process which I use, whatever, to solve all these things. And we are going to solve those tools live, whether the video goes 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or maybe just 10 minutes, it does not matter. I'm going to create it live and I'm going to put it out online every single day. And on the other side, there is this community which I am actually creating for the people who actually wanted to get connected with me and get direct a direction from me, because these type of content which I am just creating, these all are unstructured on YouTube, and YouTube by its nature is unstructured. You cannot make it so much structured as well. Okay, and a lot of gap also comes up, like I mean I will create a videos, but the specific type of problems you are going to face are going to be something different. I cannot cover it in a single video. So that's where this community becomes so much important, where you can connect with the with some kind of people who are just two step ahead, and you can just ask them. Okay, so if you just wanted to not only just learn with AI but also earn with AI, you can check it out, this community. I'm going to put the link in the description, and I am launching it out today. So from now onwards, it's going to be incredible journey, and I am so much excited to have you onboarded if you are really interested into this course. And you are going to get a 180 days path as well, and frameworks, accountability, and the link is in the description. And now I just want you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and just try this specific thing before you are giving any input to your AI, and see what actually changes. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you is that this tool, which is Wispr Flow, and you can just find it. Okay, so this is amazing tool, this is amazing tool. I actually need to just show you, like, if I have to input something, I'll just uh, type, or I'll just press this button, which is function key on my laptop, and I'll just start talking, and you can see that it will be going to just put or get all those words very much amazingly. So this is a new way to input things into AI. Okay, so like I'm just doing it, and you can just see, like, so see. So yeah, that's the thing. So I'm just these are some small ways, but so much incredible at increasing the productivity while using AI. So yeah, I'm going to talk about all of those and a lot of the things in our future videos. And I hope that you really liked this video. And if you wanted to stay along, just follow us and subscribe us, and see you in the community if you are joining. And or otherwise, let's see you in the next video. Thank you so much. So it's signing off, Jasprit Singh, and bye bye.